had a great experience. We got picked up a bit late, but it didn't interfere with the planned schedule. The diving was very nice and enjoyable. The two dives are at the same spot but go into two different directions. It was a bit cold the whole day, but apparently we had gone exactly in the coldest week of the winter. Recommend taking your own towels with you. Our trip got rescheduled twice due to bad weather, but luckily we were able to manage and get a good day. The lunch is great and very tasty. Soft drinks and coffee also always available. This was a great whole day at sea. Our first diving experience and we both loved it. It was a little more difficult than we thought, but it was really a great experience. Our instructors were both very caring and friendly. Bassioni was my instructor in my first dive and he was very caring and friendly. He also took great photos and video. Zaza was my friend's instructor as well as mine in my second dive. Zaza is extremely patient and super nice. We recommend this trip 100%. This tour is amazing. Diving guides are professional. They will explain things you have to know prior to the dive, and they will lead you underwater during the whole diving time, so there is nothing to be worried about. The tour consists of 2 dives. If you think you cannot make the second one, you could forfeit it. No pushing from guides. Overall, I enjoyed the diving trip. We took a boat for about 40 minutes to a very large and quite well-preserved reef. The dive instructor did a great job. There weren't really 2 stops. After lunch, we simply continued for another 200 meters. However, I was allowed to snorkel at the reef in between. Such a great experience. We did 2 dives and as a beginner who was really nervous, this was literally so perfect. The crew are so nice and informative and I felt so safe with them. They explained everything really well and it's very well organized that in each dive you are swimming with an instructor. A good intro to scuba diving for beginners at a reasonable price. You get a taste of it without having to make a multi-day commitment. We got great views of coral and many colorful fish, even schools of fish. The team was hilarious and did their best to create a fun and enjoyable trip. A wonderful experience. The activity was well organized, with few people, excellent instructors, a beautiful boat, and a delicious lunch. Everything was taken care of. The instructors are very attentive and leave nothing to chance. They follow and guide you from start to finish. We had a wonderful time with my partner. It was our first time diving and we were perfectly taught by passionate and dedicated instructors. Of course, it is important to remember that the corals and fishes are absolutely beautiful in this area. It was a memorable experience. The boat team were amazing. Great fun, professional and knowledgeable. Food was really good, drinks on hand all day and the boat was great. We all had a fantastic day and the dining spits were brilliant as was the equipment. Thanks boat team. They made it easy to do. With clear instructions and responsive to everyone's ability. Well organized and a very smart boat with a crew that worked hard to make our full day a great experience. Would recommend this.